It might rain today. It might rain today. Hainan baran washi. Rain walkigi baranta. The sky is full of clouds. The sky is full of clouds. आसमान वरियोजो ढाकता है. Sky walkigi asmanta. Clouds walkigi wariozuta. Don't go out. It is raining. Don't go out. It is raining. Bahar maza. Baran warigi. The rain stopped. The rain stopped. Baran wadared. It started raining suddenly. It started raining suddenly. Nasapa Baran Pelsho. The air feels fresh after rain. The air feels fresh after rain. The Baran Rusta Hawa Tazawi. Please keep the door closed. Please keep the door closed. هیله کوم دروازه بنده وساتئ. I am not ready yet. I am not ready yet. زه لا چمتو نه یم. Where did you buy this shirt? Where did you buy this shirt? تا د کمیس له کوم ځایه اخیستی دی؟ She takes care of her parents. She takes care of her parents. هغه د خپل مور او پلار خیال ساتي. Parents ویل کېږي مور او پلار ته، په دواړو ته parent استعمالیږي. My brother is taller than me. My brother is taller than me. زما ورور له ما څخه قد کې لوړ دی. The baby is sleeping peacefully. The baby is sleeping peacefully. ماشوم په ارامه سره ویده دی. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. زما له سترګو پناه شه یا زما له مخه ورک شه. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. ډېر ښه. دوام ورکړئ. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. ښه ورځ ولرئ. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. ستا سره په لیدو خوښ یم. یم یا خوښ وم. Thanks for the advice. Thanks for the advice. ستاسو د مشورې لپاره مننه. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? زما په خبره پوه شوې؟ Everything is fine. Everything is fine. هر څه سم دی. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? زه ستاسو لپاره څه کولی شم؟ What's going on? What's going on? څه روان دي؟ Think before you speak. Think before you speak. مخکې له دې چې خبرې وکړئ فکر وکړئ. No, not at all. No, not at all. هیڅکله نه. Don't twist my words. Don't twist my words. زما خبره مه اړوه. Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. خپله خوله بنده وساته. Don't be such a baby. Don't be such a baby. د ماشومانو غوندې مه کېږه. Coming right up. Coming right up. همدا اوس راځي. I told you so. I told you so. ما تاسې ته ویلي وو. It is not rocket science. It is not rocket science. دا ستونزمن کار نه دی. یعنی آسان کار دی. Don't be stranger. Don't be stranger. ناشنا مه کېږه. Not even a bite. Not even a bite. لږ څه هم نه. It's your fault. It's your fault. دا ستاسو ګناه ده. fault ویل کېږي غلطي ته. What do you mean? What do you mean? دا څه وایې؟ یا ستا څه مطلب دی؟ ګران دوستانو دا وه زموږ نننۍ ویډیو که ویډیو مو خوښه وي ویډیو لایک کړئ زموږ چینل هم درسره سبسکرایب کړئ مننه او کامیاب اوسئ